y'all saying the beast checking in. Hopefully y'all having a great day. I'm gonna show y'all my dirt bike, which I have ants on my shoes, my boots. I don't want ants on me. I hate ants. They hate me. So okay, I'm gonna open up the shop and show y'all my dirt bike. Okay. There's ants. I was gonna try to put that down there. I don't know. That's better. Okay, there's my bike. Here it is. It's right there. I'm about to break up a sweat from doing that. Just to get this door open. Okay. Okay, here's my number 15. Here's what we need to find. The part number, okay? See. See. That's what we need to find right there, see? There's my dog. Right there. He's right there. So yeah, that's my bike. Close this. Good. Now let's go out over here and let's get this over. Okay. This is a pond. There was no water in it, but now it rained, I think. I might not be too sure. I don't know. It might have rained. I don't know. But there was not much water in there, but there's water now. So, yeah. Yep. Yeah, I see all the water. Barely any in there. Right here, this looks like a lot, but probably not actually. I don't want to go in there though. I'm saying I'm not going in there. Hey, cancel. Okay, so just got off the levee. Man, I just wish my bike was fixed, my dirt bike. I'd be able to go tear up the levee. Any of y'all, Caden, if you want to come on your four-wheeler, you can come to my house. Cause look, there's my ruts right there, the track around there. Let me show you the track later, okay? Yesterday I found a snake skin. And the snake was right there and slid it out. And then it went over there and I killed it. And I can show y'all the dead snake is over here. So yeah, it's about to, it's becoming up on it. So yeah. Right. Here. It's a garter snake, okay? So, yeah, if y'all wondering it's a garter snake, I know about snakes. And y'all probably gonna say, no you don't, Aiden. No you don't. Yes I do. I'm a United States Marine. I'm not dumb. Okay, so let's look. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a snake I killed over there on the foot of the tree. Oh, let me go get my shotgun. I'm walking slow because I don't feel like running. So okay, I'm walking. Here's my shotgun. My bow. Shotgun. With a flashlight on me. Because later I have to go to training. Well, yeah, here's a snake I killed. A garter snake. So yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, here's something else I did. I shot my bow and arrow. My arrow landed literally in a snake. So it hit him in the head, and then it also killed him. First, like I think I don't know why it's a bleeder. Oh yeah, because I stepped on him. Yeah, I stepped on him there, hit him with something, and I hit the snake with the arrow. I got the arrow, bow and arrow, and I slung it at him. Scream right perfect in the head, right here. You can tell I didn't do that because it's leaning. So yeah. So if you're walking over here on this tree, I put a snake. I doubt it's gonna be there. If it is there, it's gonna be a miracle. Oh, there it is. I was wondering where it was. What? Yep, that's the snake. Go walk down over here. So yeah, it's not that interesting, but still. Okay, never mind. I'm not ready. I'm shooting. Okay, that's no safety. I'm going inside to show y'all my gear and stuff. Because on my last video, I got a lot of views. I got 38 views on my last video. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And here we go. And I'm walking there, and I'm sweating. Not actually that bad, but I'm just kind of sweaty. Okay. This is probably going to be a 9-minute video. Yeah, it's not sure. I can put it again. So northern noise in the background. That's just TV. Okay, where in the world do I need to get my gear? That's my... Okay. Here's my goggles. There's my goggles. Here are my pants. 32 size 32s. My helmet. And then my jersey. Here, okay, let me set my camera up so the way I can get a perspective. So I can set mine up. The camera fell still. So yeah, my jersey. That was the one back. That was it backwards. See? So yeah, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If y'all didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Give me some feedback so I can incorporate it in the next video. subscribe, and like I say always in my videos, stay hungry, stay humble. There it goes.